Delhi government aims to generate 20 lakh more jobs in the next 5 years through Rozgaar budget. Delhi Finance Minister and Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia on Friday presented the 8th annual budget in the Assembly, which focuses on employment. The proposed budget estimate for the year 2022 and 2023 is Rs 75,800 crore, 9.86% higher than the budget estimate of Rs 69,000 crore for the year 2021 and 2022, and 13.13% higher than the revised estimates. In the last 7 years, the government has provided employment in schools, colleges, university and government departments, Sisodia said. About 25,000 teachers were deployed on an ad hoc basis and 10 lakh people got jobs in the private sector after COVID, he said. Today we are presenting Rozgaar budget, which aims to accelerate economic welfare. Through Rozgaar budget, we aim to generate 5 lakh more jobs in the next 5 years. I will put plans to take the economy of Delhi on the path of progress and generate lakhs of employment opportunities out of this progress, said Sisodia. He further said that more than 1.78 lakh youngsters got employment in the last 7 years in Delhi. In addition to these 51,307 permanent government jobs, around 2,500 permanent jobs have been given in the universities under the Delhi government. About 3,000 permanent jobs have been given in Delhi hospitals too, he added. He said that through the Delhi Rozgaar portal, 10 lakh jobs in the private sector were created in the post-COVID period.